The Equal Credit Opportunity Act, Ecoa, addresses fairness in the application process, the extension of credit, and appraisal disclosure requirements. The Fair Housing Act addresses fairness in the extension of credit relating to housing and other housing related discrimination practices. This is a chart that explains the protected classes under Ecoa. They have now 10 protected classes: race, sex, color, national origin, age, marital status, gender identity, sexual orientation, receipt of public assistance, welfare, social security, disability, child support, and alimony. They have the right to exercise these laws to use their credit under the Consumer Credit Protection Act. The law also indicates that someone cannot be discouraged from applying for credit based on these factors. There are two laws that deal with discrimination, and you want to make sure that you are clear with what type of discrimination each law deals with. We have ECOA, which deals with discrimination when granting credit, but we also have Fair Housing Act that deals with discrimination in the sale and lease of property. We want to make sure that you keep that clear. ECOA deals with discrimination in granting credit when someone is applying for credit. Fair housing also deals with discrimination, but it is about the sale and lease of property. Now, ECOA prohibits discrimination based on sex, race, color, national origin, religion, and marital status, and age, and of public assistance. And if someone wants to exercise their right under the Consumer Credit Protection Act, ECOA now has 10 protected classes in 2026. The first five are also protected by fair housing. So you're going to need to know which ones are listed here, protected by ECOA, and the ones protected by fair housing. So when you see the first five red here that are only protected by ECOA, they protect a class of individuals. That bank cannot make the reason that they are denying a credit decision based on sex. We can't say that we are denying you because we don't make loans to females. That's a protected class. We also cannot say we don't give loans based on race, that Asians and African Americans can't not be a reason for a denial either. You will see now that ECOA has 10 protected classes, fair housing has 9. They cannot say things like, this is a Maserati, you're 92 years old and we feel you're too old to get a car like this, based on your age. Under ECOA, they cannot discriminate based on the age or marital status or public assistance. When you think about public assistance, think about any money that's not taxes coming out the top. They cannot say that we got your file and you are only on Social Security, your income is only 3,000. They can't deny you based on the receipt of public assistance. They also cannot say that someone is discouraged based on any of those factors under ECOA or fair housing. You will need to know what is protected by both fair housing and ECOA. So we have a new chart that I want you to take a look at and see what things are protected under ECOA and what things are protected under fair housing. So when you're looking at this chart, you're going to be able to just really take a good look and understand how it works. Just remember 2 additional classes were added this year in 2026 that dealt with sexual identity and dealt with gender equality.